Even.
Yes.
What if I make them virgin? What can I do?
You're asking the wrong person.
But you are Irish person. You
Yeah, but
what
I'm not a
boy?
girl, so I don't know.
No, but what Irish boy do normally? Are they shy?
Oh, so shy.
Really?
Oh, so shy.
So I should
So-
be first.
Yes, you should. So shy. So shy.
What can I say first?
So the wrong person to ask.
But if you are a bad guy, what you would like to be asked to be some?
I don't know. I have no idea. I'm so sorry. Okay, is this double maths or double physics? Double maths. And one of these hours is a tutorial. Right? Right. So, before we do the tutorial, we'll have one
Oh,
lesson.
Trần said he will be late.
Who?
Trần Wrong.
Well, okay. Let's continue with what we were working on last time. But I have a feeling we might be doing some more in the tutorial of this. But anyways, we'll open up the next lesson, please. No, tutorial second.
Why?
Because we said the last class will be the tutorial. No?
No, we only say Friday.
I'm sure I said the last class. Are you sure?
See?
Yeah, Friday, last class. Right. Maths Part 2, Engineering. So, I know the last lesson was a bit hard, the improper, but I think it's only hard because it's long. Yes. Come on, is that Omar?
Yeah.
Come on. So we get to practice again. Okay, if you can write this lesson down, integration of proper partial fractions. I think my preposition is wrong. I think it should be integration by proper partial fractions, but it doesn't matter.
This one's asking, should I come to the classroom on my 2 days and you won't let me in?
9:16? No, Omar was the last one in.
But Wong also said he will be late.
Wait, why is Wong late? No, Wong can come into the second class too.
No.
He needs to give me a good reason. No. Leave it. He can come in the second class. He'll be fine. Okay, did you write that down? Yes? Yusuf? Yes? Oh, come on. Stop thinking about the postman. Come on.
No, not.
Of the student then.
The college is same age, right?
Probably, yeah. Okay. Can I try these now? So I think just like what we were doing last time, maybe we'll take turns to practice these. In a second. Right. So the first one, write that down and I'll show you how to do it. Alright. 0? What's that? No, dot is there. Did you write the first one down?
Is this a new lesson?
No, you're right. It does look like the last lesson, doesn't it? But there's one big difference. Can you see the...
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's a big one. Okay. Oh, thank you. You're so kind. I'll save this for when I get coffee.
Jason's asking. He doesn't someone is sitting in the cafe, can he just come and be marked absent?
No, because the point is it's disruptive when people are like coming in between 9:30 and so on. So no, and don't tell them to wait outside because I'll hear them out there and that will be distracting too. Just tell them to chill in the canteen and to watch a YouTube video from my channel. Yeah. Okay. Right, can I do the first one now? Okay, can you read it back to me? What was it? Integrate?
Minus 12
Yeah.
over 3x squared plus 8x plus 4.
Right, so what we need to do is to change this into A over something plus B over something. What's that going to be? 3x plus 2? X plus 2? I believe. No, that's not right. No, that is right, isn't it? Do this with calculators? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so, what method do you want to use? You want to use the third method? Okay, why not? The cover-up method, yeah?
Actually, could we use a different method just so we practice like more?
Well, I haven't used the cover-up method yet in class. I've only used the first two. I can do whatever method you want. Go on, Andrew, what are you thinking? I can feel your thoughts.
Okay, we'll do the cover up for now.
Okay. So, because we don't usually get questions where we always can. So what you do is, you want this one, so you ask yourself, well, how do I make this 0, isn't it? So that's x equals minus 2 over 3. So that would be 4 over 3. So that would be 36. Is it 9? I just want...
for this one?
It's minus 12 over minus 2 over 3 plus 2. Is that minus 9? Is it? You can have a calculator too, Yusuf.
If he's doing it, why do I not?
You do it. Guys, you're making me seem super smart by being so much faster than the calculator.
Minus 9, right?
Right, minus 9.
That's
Okay.
minus 9.
And then to get this one, we have to cover up this one. So I use minus 2, isn't it? So that's minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, 3. Yeah? Good.
Minus 3.
No. No. Is it minus 3?
No.
I use minus 2 here. So that's minus 4 minus 12. No, true. Yeah. Okay. So this is integrate minus 9 over 3x plus 2 plus 3 over x plus 2 dx. Now, you did these in semester 1. This is integrate minus 9, 1 over 3x plus 2 dx plus 3 integrate 1 over x plus 2 dx, which equals minus 9 times 1 over 3 log 3x plus 2 plus 3 log x plus 2 plus c.
That is 0
C.
of C.
You're thinking, I don't remember doing that. So the rule was, when you want to integrate this, it's equal to 1 over a log ax plus b. This is in the formula book. Yep, we did. We sure did, Yusuf. No fooling. You don't believe me?
Is this the final answer or should
Yeah.
we also something?
No, this is fine.
We did this in semester 1.
Yeah.
That's for the third time, yes. We did.
I don't remember this.
Who was your semester 1 teacher? Was it me?
Yeah.
Hmm. I'm pretty sure I did this.
So that's like format, log thing.
Yeah, the formula.
No, never done this.
Do you have your notes from semester 1? Who all do you have your notes from semester 1?
I don't know this.
We didn't know.
I'm sure if you watch the video, it's differentiation by rule was the lesson. Oh no, sorry, this is integration. Still, integration.
No.
Yeah.
Semester 1, no.
Ah, Lee wrote it down, alright.
Yes.
Thank you, Lee.
The one from December.
Yeah, the one who doesn't write wrote this down. Sorry, dude, we definitely did it, and Lee has evidence. And you're thinking, but man, I really don't remember this.
The rule,
Huh?
we already have the rule, like we don't need to go back to it, you know.
What do you mean?
Like we know what to ask now.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not something that we need to take a lesson for. Like.
Well, not for this. Not for this. Okay, continue. Yusuf? Okay. Shall we jump down to a harder one like this beautiful looking cubic one here? Write this down, please.
This one says, what does we have between us is over.
Tell him it was all a lie. Wow, that's your lunch? 3 chocolate muffins. What? For me? All 3?
No.
Thank you. I'll have that with my second coffee. Okay, did you write that down? Okay, let's do it. Alright, Andrew, what was it on the top then?
48
Mhm.
over 512 x cubed plus 1088 x squared plus 632 x plus 63.
Now, calculator to check what the story is with the
8x plus 1.
8x plus 1. Okay.
So 8x.
Hang on, let me just save time by writing cubic here. Alright, so what did you say? 8x plus 1 was the first one.
8x plus 1 plus 1. Second one, 8x plus 7. 8x plus 9.
And what?
8x plus
9.
9. Yeah.
Okay. Andrew, since you were talking about different methods, what method do you want? So our choices are cover up, the method that makes the equations, or the method where you have to choose the value of x. That's the one I like.
Second one.
Yeah, method 2.
Yeah. So we multiply everything by the 3 factors. And here as well. So you're left with 48 equals A, 8x plus 7, 8x plus 9, plus B, 8x plus 1, 8x plus 9, plus C, 8x plus 1, 8x plus 7.
How we can find the 3
These three, calculator. Mode,
Yeah.
54. That's not right. Let me see. It's given it to you as a decimal? What did you do to your calculator? Uh, 512, 1088, 632, 63. There we go. Right, so what should, if I want the A, what do I choose for X? If I-
7 over 8, minus 7 over 8.
No.
Oh wait, minus 1 over 8.
And this gives me the A. Tell Faisal to go away. Are you talking? Is that Faisal? And what's he saying? Gimme.
Who's the last thing ever that said you're going to the money?
Tell Stephen whatever we had between us is over. Yeah, he is there too. It was all a lie. I like this modern way of teaching maths. Okay, how do I reply? Type here?
Do you want to send a voice note?
No. This is Stephen. Oh my goodness. I don't like these smartphones. This is Stephen. Lee. No, I just wrote less. Lee is trying to sleep. Leave him alone. They won't bother you anymore. Right, so if I pick this for X, I get A. Can we do that please on the calculator? Let's see. So I have 48 over, well I can do this in my head actually, can't I? Because this will be 6 and 7, isn't it? No, 6 and 8.
6, yeah.
It's 48. So I get 1 for A, nice. Okay, what should I choose next if I want B? Minus 7 over 8. So let me see, that would be minus 7, minus 6, and 2, right? That's minus 12. Is it minus 4 for B? Do it please, check, confirm. Okay, so now for this last one here, that's minus 8, and minus 2 is 16. I think it's a positive 3. One over 8x plus 1. No, which one's wrong?
I think the B should be 4, not minus 4. I think.
Are you sure?
I think.
Anyone else can confirm that? What about the C? 16? Ay, caramba. Right. Minus 9 over 8, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the 8 cancel and you're left with minus 8 times minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2. Is it okay for him? Yeah.
And the second method, do we put it in the old question?
Into this one.
It's a C, right?
Put the x into this equation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The whole equation?
The whole equation.
I thought this is 6 minus.
Well, yeah, because these will become 0. What am I doing? Okay. 1 over 8 log 8x plus 1 minus 4 over 8 log 8x plus 7 plus 3 over 8 log 8x plus 9 plus c.
What is the upper, the numerator has a linear, for example, or a quadratic?
Then life is harder.
And how do we integrate that?
Excellent question. Let's see if I can find one like that. Can I continue? Continuing. Okay, let's have a look at the answer so I can see a hard one.
What about Kai?
K's easy. Really. I'm thinking S. S is like I. We're going to do I now. Actually, here, Yusuf, you shouldn't have linears on the top, really. I mean, you can, but because the bottom is usually linear, the top will be constant. I think this comes up more in the improper ones, which is the next lesson.
Yeah, but for example, I.
Which we're going to do now. Yeah. Okay, can you write this one down?
Why we not use like vector? Like
Yeah.
divide?
Because this is proper. Yeah. This is smaller than this. Yesterday was improper. Yeah? Okay. Did you write this down, I? Right. Okay, Yusuf, what was I here?
6x squared plus 15x plus 45 over minus 3x cubed minus 13x squared minus 28x minus 8.
Okay. First piece of business. Let's check on the calculator what roots we have.
3x plus 1.
Okay. 3x plus 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think then we need to do the log.
Log. Only one root?
Yeah.
And you sure it's this?
Yeah.
3x plus 1, yeah?
Yeah.
And 1.
That's what Omar said. Okay.
Students, what does the I stand for?
That means imaginary answer, which is not a topic we cover on this course. So it effectively means not a real number, not a real answer. Have you seen I before? No? What are you doing next year?
Computer science.
Maybe you'll never see it. 3x plus 1 divided into minus 3x cubed minus, what on earth? Oh yeah, that's it. Right, what's first? Minus x squared, isn't it? And then I subtract and I carry. And then I do a
Minus
4x, so minus 12x squared minus 4x. Ugh. I subtract.
Minus 12? Yeah.
Am I good to go?
No. Minus 52?
What?
Ah, you subtract, okay.
Am I okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Minus 8. So these are the two factors here. So this now is 6x squared plus 15x plus 45 over minus 3x cubed minus 13x squared minus 28x minus 8 equals a over 3x plus 1 plus bx plus c over minus x squared minus 4x minus 8. Is that okay so far? I'll use the second method, so I'll multiply everything by the two factors. So that will cancel both. That will cancel the first one, and that will cancel the second one. So I get 6x squared plus 15x plus 45 equals a minus x squared minus 4x minus 8 plus bx plus c 3x plus 1. Okay, so what do we choose first for x if I want something here? I think I'll go with x equals minus 1 over 3. Yeah, so then the a is there any way you can make x have a value here? Oh, never mind. Minus 1 over 3. Yes? Okay, so on the left I'll have 6x squared plus 15x plus 45, and then I'll have to divide it by this, minus x squared minus 4x minus 8. So I get a is minus 6. Okay, what do I choose next?
0.
Yeah, 0, which is nice. So let me see, I'll get 45 equals minus 8 times minus 6, that's 48. So 45 equals 48 plus c. So c is 2. And finally, 1. Is c not 2?
Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. What if I plus 48 plus 3? Bring the 48 to the side minus 3.
Minus 3, well of course. And then lastly, x is 1. 6 plus 15 is 21. Plus 45 is 66. So that's 66, and then this will be minus 8, minus 4 is minus 12, minus 1 is minus 13. Bring that over to the left, that's 66, and 13 is 79. And then here, 79 divided by 4 sounds bad, doesn't it?
79?
Doesn't divide by 4. Let's do that again. 6 plus 15 is 21, yes? 21 plus 45 is 66. And this is minus 8, minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 1 is minus 13 to the, added to that number. Add 13 onto what you just got.
79.
Well, maybe it is a fraction in the answer then. Let's check the answer. Doesn't matter. I believe in myself. And this here is 4. So divide that answer by 4, please. Plus 3. I don't see any. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not, you're so. But yeah, you need to.
Well, maybe my A or my C are wrong. Do we know they're right for sure?
No.
Okay, let's check the A and the C again. So if that's minus 1 over 3, that's gone. So, Andrew, can you just put minus 1 over 3 into this? And then, Omar, could you put minus 1 over 3 into this one?
Where should I put it?
Into this one?
I already have.
Okay, what did you get? Is that for the left? 112 over 3 over this one here. What did you get, Omar, for this one? It is minus 6? Okay. So then maybe my C is wrong. X is 0. 45.
No. Can you, where's the first answer for the one on the left?
122 over 3.
Yes.
122 over 3?
Yeah. That's what Andrew got. Can we check? Let's check C. So that's 45, and then it's minus 8 times minus 6. That's 48, isn't it? So you get 45 equals 48 plus 2. Minus 3. Yeah?
Where did you get the 48 from?
Yeah.
Not 8 times 6.
Oh.
Okay, plus 1.
But that is times the C. Yeah. So I think the C is right. So can I have the calculator? So is the C just, is the B just ugly? Maybe it's just ugly. 6 plus 15 plus 45. Wait, I'm getting a different answer now.
You get
I get a nice answer.
okay, then use it.
Yeah, it seems so. I got B 0. Well, I suppose if I get the right answer at the end, we'll know for certain. Okay, so now that I have my ABC, we can go back to the integration. So this is integrate A over 3x plus 1. And then the B is 0 and the C is minus 3 over minus x squared minus 4x minus 8. Okay, that first one is okay. This one needs a bit of work. So sorry about this. I'll have to curve around here. That's equal to minus 6 integrate 1 over 3x plus 1 dx. And I'm going to cancel all the minuses here. I'm also going to take the 3 out. And I'm also going to complete the square. X plus 2 squared plus 4. And do you remember what to let the u here equal to?
X plus 2 minus plus 1.
No. Over 4. So you let u equal to x plus 2 over 2. So that means du dx equals a half. So that means dx equals 2 du. Yes? And it also means that x plus 2 equals 2u from this one here. If you put both of those back in, Yes?
Why 3? Why minus 3 become 3?
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh, because minus, all plus. That becomes minus 6 integrate dx over 3x plus 1 plus 3. Dx we said is 2 du, and this is u squared. Look carefully. X plus 2 is 2u. So x plus 2 squared is 4u squared plus 4. Oh my goodness. So this equals minus 6 integrate dx over 3x plus 1. 2 goes into that twice, so that's 3 over 2 du over u squared plus 1. That's equal to minus 6 over 3 log 3x plus 1 plus 3 over 2 tan inverse u, which equals minus 2 log 3x plus 1 plus 3 over 2 tan inverse x plus 2 over 2 plus c.
No, let's check that.
Three over 2 tan inverse a half x plus 1. Correct, that's the same thing because you divide by the 2. Minus 2 log 3x plus 1 minus 2 log 3x plus 1 plus 2. Yes, it's correct. So we just have trouble with our calculators.
When does the value come in? Where does it come from?
This lesson we did like a week ago. Integrating 1 over u squared plus 1 is tan inverse u. I don't think you've missed a class recently, have you?
He became like that.
Don't say that. That's a terrible thing to say about someone.
Yes, no, I wrote everything down. I need to revise.
The power of homework, huh? Yes, indeed. Too easy for you, Dean? Yeah. Simple calculation, in fact. Right? Very long. It's not even finished. If this is a section B question in the exam, which it usually is, what they also like to do in this question in the exam, just for kicks, is put in some limits. Yeah. Just for kicks.
But how many scholars?
This is like 10 marks with the limits.
Also,
10 marks with the limits.
so this only
7 or 8. Hey, we're a family now. You wouldn't talk to one of your brothers like that, would you?
More than that. You don't even have a brother.
Okay, did you write that down? Or at least did you look at it? Right, so what we're going to do, there is another lesson on this, but we'll do that next week, and you can probably guess what the next lesson is about. Go on, have a guess.
Or,
What about improper? Yes. Yes, integration of, yes. So, it's kind of more that they have in the exam, integration of improper. I'll give you some good news though. They usually give you the factors, including the quadratic. So in the exam, it would be unusual to do the long division because they would give you the factors in the question. Which is good because it saves some time if you don't have to do the long division.
Do we differentiate them also?
You could, but they usually don't.
No, like, I mean, do we, like, have to study that?
But you kind of can do that already because it's just a quotient rule. It's nothing special or fancy, you know.
Yeah.
Certainly a possible exam question, but not one they usually ask. Because they usually, when they want the quotient rule, they usually have sines and cosines and things in it as well. Now, our second class is going to be a tutorial, but we just need to wait a couple of minutes for those, how can I put this politely, I'll just say students, to arrive. So I'll just give you a couple of minutes break. They should be here. They're in the canteen now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Tell them their prison time is over and they're free to come to class. And I'll just get a coffee, and then we'll do the tutorial. So while I'm getting my coffee, can you please get your questions ready that you would like me to do? I know for one you probably have a big list of questions. You must do.
Someone goes to the library.
Yeah.
That's, I think everyone will be okay with that, yes? Yeah. Quick cigarette break?
Yeah.